According to Cicero, legal controversies may arise over different interpretations of the law. One such controversy emerges when two laws disagree in their implications. These contradictory laws can provide a challenging and unique puzzle for lawyers. Cicero comes to the rescue with recommendations on how to approach such laws. When two laws bear conflicting principles, Cicero recommends to appraise each by their values. We should specifically focus upon the honorable, useful, or necessary nature of each law. Whichever possesses the greater nature should clearly be the one kept if both laws cannot be upheld. The specific language and intent of each law should also be scrutinized. If we truly hope to win the case, we will fixate upon the law writer's intent. Cicero illustrates these methods through Thebe, a woman who bravely lay aside her fears to slaughter her heinous husband. She surely never expected to be prosecuted for this, for any killer of a tyrant is by law entitled to anything and everything they could ask for. Yet, by the law, a tyrant's immediate family members must be slain. Thebe is seemingly at odds. Facing death, however, noble Thebe does not even request her own life be spared. Her upstanding character is so humble as to only petition for the life of her son to be saved. Thebe's actions were of the purest intent. She recognized that one she once loved had corrupted to an unacceptable level. She leveraged her invaluable position for the betterment of all society. Knowing exactly what the law implied, she set aside her concerns to preserve Roman honor, and rightly she is owed any want she may have per the magistrates. How can we condemn a woman like this? She has the right of anyone else who has slain a tyrant. To condemn Thebe simply because of her spousal status to the tyrant is to blatantly ignore the intent of the original law. A tyrant's 5 closest family members are slain to prevent a similar tyranny from ever again arising. Yet Thebe clearly does not pose such a threat. She rather slaughtered her husband to see her land returned to its peaceful and fruitful past. The only family members that should be ordered to death are those which supported the villain. Thebe's child likewise will never follow in the footsteps of his father, and poses no such risk of tyrannical rule. Her son is thus entitled to his life, which he will forever be indebted to his mother to. To dishonor this brave woman, who toppled a fierce and seemingly unstoppable tyrant, would be to deprave the Roman law. Thebe and her son have earned our respect for protecting the honor of this country land and risking their own lives in the process. Furthermore, these two laws are not necessarily at odds with one another, so long as the latter's intent is clearly understood. When we prohibit the lives of all family members, we disclude those which were themselves wronged and hurt by the crimes of the tyrant. They are Roman citizens just as we were, and are thereby deserving of the same respect.